PetLab Co. Dog Probiotics.
PetLab Co. Probiotics for Dogs offers a clinically tested formula designed to support gut health, alleviate occasional diarrhea, and manage seasonal allergies. These salmon-flavored soft chews contain beneficial ingredients like prebiotics and probiotics to enhance digestive health and improve overall well-being. Improves gut health. Many customers report significant improvements in their dog's gut health after using these probiotics, making them effective for digestion issues. Dog-friendly flavor. The salmon flavor is appealing to dogs, leading them to take the chews without fuss, making it easier for pet owners to administer. Supports immune system. With a blend of prebiotics and probiotics, these chews help strengthen the immune system and can aid in managing allergies effectively. Made in the USA. Manufactured in the USA, ensuring quality and safety, which is a significant factor for pet owners concerned about ingredients. Mixed effectiveness. While many report positive effects, some users experienced little to no noticeable changes in their dog's health, leading to mixed reviews on effectiveness. High price point. The price of the product is considered high by some customers, which may deter budget-conscious pet owners, despite the quality. Potential for side effects. A few users reported adverse reactions, including gastrointestinal issues, indicating that the product may not suit all dogs. Administration challenges. Some dogs may resist taking the chews, requiring them to be crushed or mixed with food, complicating the administration process. PetLab Co. Probiotics for Dogs presents a solid option for pet owners looking to improve their dog's gut health and manage allergies, with many positive endorsements. However, the mixed effectiveness and potential side effects, along with the high price, may lead some to consider alternative options. It's essential to monitor your dog's response when introducing these chews to their routine.
Are you excited to make a purchase? Or do you need a little more time to decide? No need to hurry. Check out the product link in the description below. Just click on it to explore the Amazon website, where you can dive into more details and read reviews that will help you make the best choice. Happy shopping!